Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Paybis account using a Paybis application. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've downloaded Paybis app on your mobile device. Once you have it, give it a tap to open. You'll be able to see this interface right here. From the page, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right-hand corner. From the options displayed at the top, tap on the Sign Up button in order to create or register for a new account. In the Sign Up area, type in an email address you'd like to register with and make sure to type in a valid one. Soon after you do that, tap the Continue button. Now, a code will be sent to you on your email address inbox. Simply open up your email service provider and open up an email received from Paybis. Your verification code will be displayed. Simply copy the code and go back to Paybis app. Paste in the code into the text box and you'll be able to sign up or create a new account for Paybis. The next thing to do now is to verify your identity so that you can get access to additional payment methods and higher limits on Paybis wallet. That is how you can easily sign up for Paybis. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.